The 2011 Liberty. The Jeep Liberty is quite capable off-road, one of the best in its class. Compared to the Jeep Patriot and Compass, the Liberty is more of a true Jeep with off-road prowess and bold, upright styling, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: airbags, air conditioning, front, rear window defroster, child safety rear door locks, heated front seats, electronic stability package, remote keyless entry, tachometer, brake assist, rear wiper, tilt steering wheel, compact spare tire, tinted glass, front license plate bracket, vanity mirrors, rear wheel drive, speed control, black door handles, 4-piece floor mat set. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.